Hi first grade, Miss Wingard here, and happy ice cream day. For math today, you have two activities to choose from, and I'm going to share those quickly with you. So the first activity is the ice cream cone. This is a lot like the name collection boxes where we can show numbers in different ways. So you can use art supplies, you could draw your ice cream cone, use Play-Doh, whatever you would like. And what we're going to do is on the cone part, we're going to choose a two-digit number. So I chose the number 15. Now on the scoops, I am going to show 15 in different ways. I could use tallies, dice, coins, words, anything I would like to show 15. So this is one scoop that I made. So I have 15 tally marks. I can show 15 with base 10 blocks. I have one long and 5 cubes, and so I would just go up, 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 and show 15 in different ways on the scoops. The other activity you can choose from is the ice cream sundae. So on the next slide, you will see a link where you can click and see this page. You don't have to print it, you can just look at it. But what we're going to do is use this picture of the sundae to create an ice cream, or to create a number story, an ice cream number story. So I see, for example, 3 red sprinkles and 3 yellow sprinkles. So I might write there are 3 red sprinkles and 3 yellow sprinkles on the sundae. There are 6 red and yellow sprinkles in all. So that could be a number story I could write, but you have lots of different choices just by looking at the sundae. All right, so those are your two choices. If you go to the next slide, you will see a little bit more information about those two activities. Have a great day, first grade.